What I wish I knew about my cat's silent meow instead of just thinking it was adorable. This is what's called a silent meow. Originally, it was a special way for kittens to communicate with their mothers. But surprise! Domesticated cats do this to talk to us too. Some scientists even think silent meows might have ultrasonic frequencies, meaning, while we can't hear them, other cats might. Crazy, right? So next time your furball gives you that silent treatment, maybe they're asking for food or just sharing a loving moment. It's their secret language with you. How cool is that? Silent meows. More than just cute, they're personal.